Now it can be wholly undressed in my dream. Shadows I wanted approval for, to use them to decide my worth. You see, gifts become cursed when you take more than you're willing to give. This possessive position will not uplift but create the weight of your back. It's so sad we hold on to what limits us to define. And I am here when we can see the beauty comes from letting it roam free. Are we able to continue as we are, as we are? Are we able to continue as we are when we see the stars faced with imprints of our past? Are we able to continue